In this video, I will show you how to play Legend of Elements on PC. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. Now, although Legend of Elements is an Android game, it's absolutely possible to play this on PC with something called the Bluestacks app player. So the Bluestacks app player is an Android emulator. What that effectively means is that you can play Android games on your PC or even your Mac. Now, to get started, if you come below this video, you're going to see a link in the video description. If you give that a click, it's going to take you to the official website, which looks like this. On this webpage, you can see there's a button to play Legend of Elements on PC. Give that a click, and what that's going to do is download the Bluestacks app player onto your PC. So once it's downloaded, what you can do is give it a click and then run through the steps to install Bluestacks onto your PC. So you just want to agree and install Bluestacks. Once Bluestacks has finished downloading and installing, as long as you click the link in the video description, it's going to take you directly to the install page here. Once Bluestacks has finished downloading and installing, as long as you click the link in the video description, it's going to automatically load through and it's going to take you to a screen like this. At this point, you're going to see a install from Google Play button. So what you want to do is give that a click. And what that's going to do is take you to a screen like this. Now from here, you're going to see the blue install button, and all you need to do is click onto install. And what that's going to do is get things ready and start downloading and installing Legend of Elements for you to start playing using Bluestacks. Now, whilst Legend of Elements is installing, I just want to run through some features with you on why I personally use Bluestacks to play Android games and why I think it's the best app player to play Android games on your PC or Mac. Now to start with, I just want to talk about game controls. With Bluestacks, of course, naturally playing on a PC, you can use your keyboard and mouse. All the controls are already preset for the games, but you can of course customize them to your own personal preferences if you choose to do so, and there is even gamepad support for certain games. If like myself you don't get on with touchscreens, this is a really cool reason to use Bluestacks. Another thing that's really cool is the macros feature, which allows you to record and replay actions with a single key press. So on some games where you've got the boring tasks of sort of dragging and dropping and clicking and things like that, you can now record and replay that action with just a single key press, saving you time and saving going through the boring tasks by just using a single key press. Bluestacks does have an eco mode which allows you to optimize your PC usage when running multiple instances. So you can always be sure that when you're playing games with Bluestacks, you're going to have the best, smoothest possible experience whilst playing on PC. One thing that I really love about Bluestacks is the built-in real-time translation feature. Now this basically allows you to play any Android game in your local language. So if there are games that have come out in different countries that are exclusive to that country that you've been absolutely dying to play, but of course you can't play them due to language barrier reasons, but with the built-in real-time translation feature, you can now absolutely do this because Bluestacks is going to automatically translate any Android game into your local language. Naturally, playing on PC is going to give you a much higher frame rate for a better, smoother gameplay experience, and of course you can play all your Android games in full HD. Now, of course, those are just a few of my reasons why I personally love Bluestacks, but you can see there's a number of really cool features and benefits of using Bluestacks to play Android games on PC. So coming back now to Bluestacks, you can see we are good to go. Legend of Elements has now finished installing. So what we're going to do is just jump into the game. So I just want to show you guys how this plays really. As you can see straight away though that the gameplay is very smooth. You can see the animations are very sharp. What we're going to do is pick someone to jump into and then click start practice. Here we are in game, and what we're going to do is, as you can see, I'm actually using my mouse to click around and control the game. But you can see the gameplay is really good. What we're going to do is use the joystick, the on-screen joystick, and we're just going to hold down our left mouse button to drag around. And, you know, we can basically control the game with our keyboard and mouse. So that is how to play Legends of Elements on PC. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.